Knock, 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 whip! Teddy bear! There's a box on the floor. Wiggle it, jiggle it. What's it for? Let's open it up and see some more! What's inside that box so wide? Is it a frog on a water slide?
Let's start.
Is it jelly that can bounce and sing? Or a sock with a chicken wing? Open the box and pop.
What's that?
A squeaky banana in a polka dot hat. What's in the box?
Let's see, let's see.
What's in the box?
1, 2, 3.
Shake it, spin around. Lift the lid, what have we found? Is it a robot that loves to sneeze? Or a cupcake doing the cha-cha with cheese? Is it a hippo in a tutu suit? Or a bouncing spoon playing a flute? Lift the lid with a giant bee pay! It's a dancing duck in furry sheep feet! What's in the box?
Clap, 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 clap.
What's in the box?
Tap, tap, tap.
Wiggle your nose, touch your socks. Let's peek inside that mystery box.
Could it be a pirate cat with a kite? Or a toothbrush singing late at night? Is it a train made of jelly beans? Or a moon that giggles when it leans?
Open it up, poof, confetti spray. It's a goofy balloon yelling, hooray! What's in the box? Woo, 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 woo! What's in the box?
Let's open it now.
Surprise after surprise, it never ends. It's a box full of giggles and all our friends. Shh, one last shake so soft and slow. It's a snoring potato in a puppet show.